Good day, I'm Cristelin Sangan. We are the Group 6, and today we will discuss the latest trends in hospitality industry. After this discussion, students are expected to understand the latest trend in hospitality industry, to know more about hospitality industry, to know more on how did the COVID-19 affect the hospitality industry, to understand the 5 hospitality trends. The hospitality industry is a well-organized sector that dates back to the 1950s or 1960s. Hospitality industry is known for keeping the people away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Travelers have always sought out welcoming places to relax and unwind. But during the pandemic, the hospitality industry faced a huge setbacks as people limit themselves to travel and fear to go off the result of hospitality industry to welcome big changes to its product and services. Also, due to COVID-19 pandemic, the hospitality industry changed faster than ever, and keeping up with all of the hotels and hotels management trends that are affecting this fast-paced industry is practically impossible. That is why to avoid being left behind in the hospitality industry, hotels must stay up with the latest hospitality trends. Changes in the hospitality industry due to COVID-19. The needs and priorities of customers have changed due to COVID-19. Adapting the latest hospitality response to the changing behavior of customers due to the corona pandemic have become essential. Before entering the establishment, guests and employees need check the temperature and sanitize the hand. Guests are strictly instructed to stay 6 feet away from others. Many people in industry loses their job due to COVID-19. Hospitality industry face a huge setback due to the pandemic. There are also many changes in hospitality industry services.
Hi everyone, I'm Erica May Lorenzo and I'm here to discuss about 5 hospitality trends being accelerated by COVID. One of the 5 hospitality trends being accelerated by COVID. Safety and hygiene. These have become especially important with the emergence of COVID, as the world adjusts to the virus and effort to contain the spread. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with either an alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. This eliminates germs that may be on your hands, including viruses. Kailangan po palagi tayong malinis sa ating katawan para po hindi kumapit sa atin ang COVID. Kailangan may dala po tayong palaging alcohol. Number 2, contactless payment. When contactless payment are accepted, customers save time on sorting through cash or entering their PIN. Sa pagpasok po ng COVID-19, dito po nauso ang mga bank-to-bank payment, GCash, para po payments much more quickly. Include po yung sitwasyon na kung saan yung mga customers natin is walang access ng cash or their credit or debit card. It can also enhance the customer experience because it is a time saver. Number 3, voice search and voice control. The use of voice search is increasingly common among customers searching for and booking hotel and the restaurants. Through our technology po is mas naging easy access po yung mga pagbubook natin ng mga hotel, mga restaurants na hindi na po natin kailangan lumabas and makakapag-save po tayo ng time. Number 4, enhanced food and beverage delivery at home. Restaurants and establishments offering food have adapted to the COVID situation by increasing food and beverage deliveries, allowing customers to enjoy something akin to the restaurant experience at home. When COVID-19 happens po, yung mga restaurant po is nagsara para po kahit paano po is magkakita po sila, magka-income po sila kahit po may pandemic is nagbukas po sila pero through delivery at home lang po para po mapanatili po ang ating protocols and hindi na po lumabas ng bahay ang ating mga customers. Number 5, Robots in hotel and restaurant settings. Hotels, restaurants, and similar businesses can use robots to greet customers and provide customers information, while they can also play a vital role in security operations too. Robots technology is one of the most exciting forms of travel technology, and it is constantly improving. Within hotels, for example, is robots have been used like helping to greet guests when they arrive and provide some information. And some hotels have expanded their use further still, involving them in cleaning and luggage handling.
Good day everyone, I am Mark Paulo M. Garcia and I'm going to discuss with you about the general upcoming hospitality trends that are based on the way customers behave, and these trends also help with new ways on how hospitality service will be provided by using new and trendy hospitality technology. As you can see in the PowerPoint presentation, here some of the upcoming hospitality trends, which include the chatbot, virtual reality tours, sustainability, and smart hotels. So the first one is chatbot. Chatbot are another of the major hospitality trends linked with customer service and can be especially useful for delivering swift responses to questions even when human staff are unavailable. For example, we, we all know that everyone who open an online business normally encounter questions like how much po, available pa po ba, direct message, private message, and many more. These are common questions that customer would usually ask an online seller. The next one is virtual reality tours. Virtual reality ranks among the most exciting hospitality technology trends, providing the means for potential hotel guests or restaurant dinners to experience what their surrounding will be like, all from the comfort of their own home. The third one is sustainability. Increasingly, customers are concerned with environmental issues and want to know that the business they deal with are behaving ethically. For example, sa restaurant, nagpo-promote sila ng vegetarian food and vegan option na kung saan they try to make use yung mga smart light bulbs and smart heating na nakakatulong makapag-save ng energy na nagpo-promote ng sustainability within doon sa accommodation sectors. The last one is smart hotels. In a simple terms, a smart hotels is a hotel that makes use of internet-enabled device which are capable of sending data to one another. When it comes to promoting a smart hotels naman, for example na lang dito kasi inaalaw yung mga guests na magkaroon sila ng control, kunwari sa mismong room nila, nakokontrol nila yung heating or yung air conditioning from their phone. It only means that they can turn on or turn off all the device na nakakonekta sa mismong phone na meron sila. At meron din for example ng mga giving voice commands sa smart speaker. That's all for the general upcoming trends. Thank you.
COVID-19 have brought a lot of changes in the tourism and hospitality industry around the globe that pushed them to innovate and integrate things that can help them to cope up with this situation. Different trends have been introduced by the hospitality industry that now became part of our lives. Innovation and trends for the better coping up and experience for tomorrow hospitality and tourism industry